Good evening, Wildcats. I'm Matt Arnold, the proud principal of Winter Park High School. Welcome to Winter Park High School's virtual open house, and thank you for supporting your child's education. First, I want to cover a few data points that reflect the quality education your sons and daughters are receiving at Winter Park High School. We're ranked by the U.S. News and World Report in the top 10% nationwide. That's out of approximately 20,000 schools. We've had 96 super scholars over the past 5 years. We administer close to 3,600 AP and IB exams every year to help students achieve college credit while in high school. That's more than any other OCPS high school. Our amazing IB program continues to help our students compete nationally and internationally for post-secondary opportunities. Our digital video productions, culinary, Navy JROTC, and computer-based industry certification programs all continue to engage and challenge our students, as well as to prepare them for opportunities immediately after high school. Our performing arts and athletic programs are amongst the best in the state. Outstanding concerts, productions, as well as individual and ensemble honors. And our athletic program wins state championships every year and has won the All Sports Award for the whole state of Florida numerous times. All of these accomplishments are a reflection of teams working together, teams of students, teachers, coaches, directors, parents, and the community. Thank you for the role you play in making Winter Park High School such a high-performing school. At this time, I'd like to introduce our instructional leadership team and a few of our dedicated parent leaders.
Hi there, Wildcat family. My name is Sean Campbell, and I'm the current president of the Winter Park High School Foundation. We're a 501c3 nonprofit foundation made up of a fantastic team of volunteer parents, community leaders, and education professionals. Our number one mission is to provide additional funding support for the educational, athletic, and extracurricular needs of the students at Winter Park High School. And in the past 6 years alone, we've raised over $2 million. Fundraising is done through corporate and private donations, grant applications, and events such as our annual Restore the Roar. This year's Restore the Roar event is scheduled for Saturday, February 26, 2022 at the home of the Wildcats, Showalter Field. Please mark your calendars and watch for additional details on our website and social media. You don't want to miss this very unique event. You can follow us on Facebook and visit our website for more information about the organization and our initiatives. Also, please visit the Cat Shack online at our website or on Facebook, Instagram, and the PTSA website, where you can find a wide variety of Winter Park High School clothing and swag, and where 100% of the profits go back to the foundation to continue our mission. Thanks for listening, and go Wildcats.
Hello, my name is Tanya Veras. I have the honor to serve as your PTSA president for the 2021-2022 school year. The Parent-Teacher-Student Association plays a vital role here at Winter Park High School. Through our membership drive from August to December, PTSA is able to contribute in multiple areas. For example, we support Homecoming Barbecue, the College and Career Center, teacher appreciation events, teacher grants, scholarships for seniors. We support and assist Mr. Arnold and SGA, Wildcat Outreach, which funds programs for our students in need, baccalaureate, and program Progress to Success. We hope you will join us in supporting Winter Park High School and help us provide the best possible resources to all of our Wildcat students. We look forward to welcoming you and working with you side by side this year. Thank you.
Hello, I am Jeff Sharp, and I am the Assistant Principal of Instruction here at Winter Park High School. I am over the Student Services Department, which includes the guidance counselors, also our career and technical education programs, and our ROTC programs.
Welcome. My name is Paul Maldonado. I'm an assistant principal here at Winter Park High School. My major areas that I oversee are digital curriculum, AP and IB, and mathematics. I want to welcome you and have a wonderful evening.
Hello, Wildcats. My name is Soraya Smith. I'm one of your assistant principals here at Winter Park High School. I support discipline, the ESE, and science departments. You can reach me at marie.smith@ocps.net. Have a great evening.
Hi, welcome to Open House. My name is Dan Cagliari. I'm one of the assistant principals here. I oversee our world languages and social studies department, as well as our facilities and safety and emergency management. You can contact me at daniel.cagliari@ocps.net or 618-2240 is my extension. Have a great night.
Welcome to the 2021-22 school year open house. My name is Cheryl Romaine and I'm the Dean of Senior Students. In addition to discipline, I'm also responsible for additions, partners in ed, and I work very closely with at-risk students and interventions. I can be reached at 407-622-3200. My extension is 618-2238, and I am located in room 384.
Hi, my name is Jenna Levinson. I am the 11th grade dean here at Winter Park High School. In addition to discipline, I am also responsible for transportation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at jenna.levinson, JENNA.LEVENSON@ocps.net. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Mr. John, and I'm the 10th grade dean here at Winter Park High School. In addition to discipline for 10th graders, I am also responsible for parking, campus security, and groundskeeping. If you need to contact me, my email address is 39333@ocps.net. That's 39333@ocps.net. Thank you.
Hello there, I am John Minderman, Winter Park High School's Curriculum Resource Teacher, CRT. I oversee all teacher and staff certifications, all of the professional development with our staff members, and also the induction and mentorship program for our newest teachers. Thank you. Have a good night.
Hi, I am Elisa Mora. I am the College and Career Specialist, and I co-lead the Student Services Department. The Student Services Department and the College and Career Center are located in the 100 building. You may email me at elisa.mora@ocps.net.
Hi, welcome to the 2021-22 school year. My name's Andy Childs. I'm the athletic director here at Winter Park. My prime responsibility obviously is all athletics, coaches, athletes, scheduling, games. If you need to reach me for anything, feel free to reach me at Andrew, ANDREW.Chiles, CHILES, @ocps.net. And please visit our athletic website at www.winterparkathletics.org. Thank you and have a great year.
Good evening, Winter Park families. This is Dr. Will Hyde. I'm the assistant principal at Winter Park Ninth Grade Center, and I welcome you to our virtual open house this year. I hope you are having a great evening. We'll have a great evening, and if you need anything at the Ninth Grade Center, feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to help in any way I can. So, go Wildcats!
Hello, Wildcats. My name is Ms. Lewis Jean, and I'm one of the deans at the Ninth Grade Center. Areas of responsibilities include discipline. I'm the school research lead. I'm in charge of field trips. I'm the additions coordinator, partners in education, and I'm also the AVID coordinator. Have a great day.
Hey Wildcats, it's Mr. Wilson here. I'm one of the deans of the Ninth Grade Center. A couple areas of my responsibility would be student attendance, student conduct and discipline, and facilities.
I'm Andrew Disney. I'm an instructional coach at Winter Park High School's Ninth Grade Center. I work with teachers to improve student learning, and I also co-coordinate the Advanced Placement Program.
Thanks again for your support. Have a wonderful night and go Wildcats.